Hey everybody, so today I'm here to give you an unboxing and out the box review of this Milwaukee brushless fuel M12 vacuum. All right, so let's get it going. Okay, so I already have a Milwaukee drill. So I'm gonna take the battery, and this is the bigger battery, the 4.0. So I'm gonna take this battery and put it in here and hear how she sounds, see what kind of suction that we have here. Let's check it out. So I'm taking off the battery. Milwaukee just does a really good job with these tools. And so like the first drill I bought was a Milwaukee. So the way how these tools get you, and I'm pretty sure everybody that like has tools understand this, is the batteries. So each tool, they make a specific battery that only fits their tool. So if I started off with a Milwaukee drill, it only makes sense for me to get a Milwaukee vacuum and a Milwaukee saw, because I don't have to keep buying the batteries, because like I said, all the tools, they pretty much use the same battery. Some are more amp hours than others, but they all fit the same battery. This wouldn't fit in like another tool, say like a DeWalt, a Rigid, Ryobi. This is only specifically for Milwaukee tools, specifically the M12 line. All right, so let's put this in. All right. Wow. Okay. that suction felt really good. That felt like a standard vacuum you use to vacuum your home. So that was speed 1. Now let's check out speed 2. This is the business. And it's really small, so like I've already put it in my mind that I want to get like another one. I want to get a bigger one, the M18, because I do want to get the M18 drills. So this would probably stay in the trunk of my car, and I would always just use it when I have little jobs to do, or sometime I want to vacuum my car. And as a matter of fact, I think the first test I'll do with this as like a official review would be me vacuuming my car. My car hasn't been washed for, and please don't judge me guys, it's probably been like about a month and a half. You know, like we're just coming out of the spring, a lot of pollen, a lot of rain. So like we've been having a few good days, good weather. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna vacuum my car before I take it to a car wash and just show you before and after and a real actual review. I'm excited. This is, you can't complain for the price. This was $130, $140. This is about $140. You can't beat that. The bigger size is maybe about like $20 to $30 more. Don't quote me, but the bigger size is not, in price wise, is not much of a difference. But I am in love with this little thing right here. And I said, so I'm gonna show you guys a size comparison, or better yet, I'll just get the tape measure out and I'll give you the dimensions. So I'm gonna give you a quick size comparison. So everybody's used a sheet of paper before, so we all pretty much know the dimensions of a paper. So let's put this up against the paper. So just to show you just how small this is, it's just maybe about like 3 inches, just about 3 inches more than the paper. That's how much the total, what is it, width? That's how much the total width of this box would be. Actually, what is this? This is the length. So the length is just like 3 more inches than a sheet of paper. The height is maybe just, I'd say maybe about a inch and a half, 2 inches. Maybe like 2 inches more than a sheet of paper is for the height. And then for the width is half of the paper. Like literally half of the paper is the width. Come on guys, this is a no-brainer. Hey, if you liked what you're seeing on this channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And like I said, we could have the agreements and disagreements in the comment. So let's be active. Come on guys, let's get this channel going. Thumbs up.